This lesson focuses on levels of decision making. It sounds daunting, but children get it really well. We use a Russian doll to explain how each level is nestled into a bigger one. It's not the EU that will decide on the books that are bought for the local library, and it's not the Lord Mayor who will decide on air pollution targets for the European Union. We play the decision-making game with the sheets that you will find in the resource section. The second part of the lesson deals with the single market. We get the children to define what a market is. You buy and sell goods in a market. Single means one or united. So we explain how the European Union has developed a single market where there is no internal barrier or tax when you sell goods from Cork to Berlin, just like there's none if you sell the same goods from Cork to Galway. But there would be a tax or a barrier if you sold those goods to the USA. The single market is absolutely crucial for the children to understand. It is underpinned by 4 key freedoms of movement. Freedom of movement of people, goods, capital and services. For example, the UK didn't want to apply the freedom of movement of people anymore. As much as the UK has been accommodated since it has come into the EU with a lesser contribution to the European budget, for example, or an option not to take part into the euro, this was absolutely not acceptable. Those 4 freedoms of movement are the DNA of the European Union. To get the children involved, we distribute toys, puzzles and bulb packages and get them to find the common label which indicates that this was produced according to the standards of safety of the single market. No matter where it is made, even in China, as long as it has CE on it, which stands for Conformité Européenne or European Conformity, then it is meeting the adequate EU standards, no matter whether you buy your toy in Romania or Portugal. The last slide for this lesson refers to the European Union rule, which says that no meat injected with antibiotics or hormones can be imported into the EU. This is why it is important to check what will come from the UK into Ireland and therefore the EU, since the EU rules will not apply to the UK anymore.